Welcome to our delightful DIY adventure, where we'll show you how to create your very own miniature succulent garden. Whether you're an avid gardener or a DIY enthusiast, this project is perfect for bringing a touch of nature into your home. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a small container of your choice. Think creatively. Teacups, small bowls, or even a tiny wooden box can work wonders. Next, collect some pebbles, a bit of moss, and of course, your favorite succulent plants. Now let's start building. Begin by placing a layer of pebbles at the bottom of your container. This will ensure proper drainage and keep your succulents healthy. Over the pebbles, add a thin layer of soil, making a cozy bed for your plants. Gently position your succulents in the soil. Arrange them thoughtfully, considering how they complement each other in terms of size and color. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time to achieve a balanced and pleasing layout. Once your succulents are in place, it's time to add some texture and depth with moss. Tuck it around the plants, filling any gaps and creating a lush green carpet. Moss not only enhances the garden's aesthetic, but also helps retain moisture. Now comes the fun part, decorating with miniature figurines. This is where you can truly personalize your garden. Whether you choose tiny animals, fairy houses, or abstract sculptures, let your imagination run wild. If you find yourself struggling with the arrangement, remember, there's no right or wrong. Experiment with different placements until you're satisfied with your miniature landscape. As we wrap up, take a moment to admire your creation. With just a few simple steps, you've crafted a charming piece of living art that brings joy and life to any space. We hope this tutorial has inspired you to embark on your own succulent adventure. Remember, each garden is unique and reflects your personal style. So don't be afraid to try new ideas and make it truly yours. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow plant lovers. Happy gardening!